How to set any song or audio file as a ringtone on iPhone iOS 16. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to set any song or audio of your choice as a ringtone on an iPhone, you first have to make sure you have the GarageBand application on your device. It is the default application of iPhone, but for some reason, if you do not have the app, then open App Store and search for GarageBand and go ahead and download the app. Once downloaded, launch the app and swipe through the options until you see the audio recorder option there and tap on that. Now tap on the brick-like icon on the toolbar at the top and then tap on the plus symbol on the right side of your screen. Now tap on the Section A option and firstly make sure the toggle button for automatic is not toggled on. Next, set the manual option to 30. Now tap on the loop-like icon beside the settings icon you see there and go to Files and then tap on Browse Items from the Files app. Select the file you want to set ringtone as. Now drag the file that we just imported to the empty screen. Adjust the length of the audio if required and now tap on the small arrow-like icon you see there on the top and then tap on My Songs. Tap hold on the file now and you will see the share option. Tap on that. Now tap on the ringtone option you see there. Change the name of the ringtone if you want and now tap on export. With this, the exporting of the ringtone will begin. You will receive a pop-up once the exporting completes. Tap on Use Sound As and now select from these options here. You can select Standard Ringtone, Standard Text Tone, or Assign to Contact. Tap on any of the options here and with this, your ringtone will be changed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.